International Film Festival of India on Saturday announced the lineup for the Indian Panorama segment of the year 2022. A total of 25 feature films and 20 non-feature films will be screened during the event. The films will be screened as part of the Indian Panorama, the flagship component of IFFI, organized by the National Film Development Corporation, Ministry of Information and Broadcasting. The audience will get to see Jai Bhim, Major, Ariyippu, The Kashmir Files and RRR among several others at IFFI 2022. The aim of Indian Panorama is to select Indian feature and non-feature films of cinematic, thematic and aesthetic excellence for screening at the film festival, the statement reads. The selection for the Indian Panorama is made by eminent personalities from the world of cinema across India, comprising a total of 12 jury members for feature films and 6 jury members for non-feature films. Exercising their individual expertise, the eminent jury panels contribute evenly to the consensus that leads to the selection of Indian Panorama films of respective categories. This year, IFFI is scheduled to take place from November 20th to November 28th, 2022 in Goa.